Hey guys, what's going on? It's a snowy day in February. It's really not that bad out here though, probably about 35, maybe 40 degrees. I really was excited to come out today because I just got my waders back. These are some Patagonia Skeena waders that I've had for probably 3.5 years, maybe, something like that. They worked really great for a while, but of course all waders eventually develop leaks. I got some glue spots here and here. Earlier in the winter, they finally just started leaking around both legs so much that I just couldn't really handle it anymore. So I bought some new waders. Patagonia usually has a pretty good return policy. I've sent stuff back to them before, like a down jacket to be repaired or something like that. I've actually had stuff that's been so bad that when I sent it back, they didn't even try to repair it. They just sent me a gift certificate to use towards some other merchandise. Sometimes they'll send up to about 3/4 of the actual money that you spent in a gift certificate to buy something new. At least that's been my case, which is really cool because then you can just buy something else. So the waders, when I sent them back, I didn't know if they would actually repair them because it was like one of the seams down the leg, both the booties. I mean, they were just, there was running water at that point pretty much. It's just like a steady drip in there, you know, you're always getting wet feet. Not very fun, especially when there's snow on the ground. When it's getting colder, you really don't want to deal with that. So I sent them in. It took about 2 months to get them back. They're probably really slow right now. I know that a lot of people have been talking about that just because the corona thing has shut everybody down, so there's not as many people working. But really, I wasn't that concerned about the time frame. I was just interested to see what they could do. And sure enough, they showed up at my door a couple days ago. They retaped the inside seams all around the booties, all around the legs. And so I'm going to jump in the water and hopefully it works out. And it looks like a good day. Maybe try to catch a couple fish. We'll see what happens. Woo! Okay, I got an emerger trying to get to some feeding fish over here. Or get them to feed anyways. We got one fish looking. He wasn't. He's sort of interested, but not really. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Maybe he just needs a better meal opportunity. Let's see if he sees it this time. Not interested. Okay, this one's floating. It's gonna float right over him. Ooh, there's one. Got one. Doesn't feel like too big. I can see him darting around down there in the logs. He's gonna get tangled on this log. He's under a stick. I gotta go get him. Well, this is a good wader test. Gotta go deep in the water here. Got himself under a stick. Oh, there's some big fish in here. Oh, there he goes. Got him. Okay. Ooh. Waist deep in the water. It's cold. Okay. First fish of the day. Get the hook out with my tweezers so I don't have to touch anything cold. Okay, let's look at this guy. Not big, but pretty fun. He's a cute little guy. See ya. Well, first fish of the day, I actually had to get all the way up to my waist in the water. So that was a pretty good test of whether or not they fixed my waders. And so far I'm not wet, so that's good. Yeah, that's good. I was kind of a crapshoot, like, do I bring my other waders as a backup or not? And I didn't, so far I'm really stoked. I really like these waders anyways, but now I've, you know, just company as a whole, Patagonia, I'm really stoked that they're willing to just repair their stuff. I have to also mention that it only cost me $5 to send. They sent me a call tag for $5 to send the waders back, and they repaired them absolutely free, which is amazing. So anyways, right now I'm gonna try for some fish over here that I saw, so see how it goes. Starting to snow now. Don't fish in the snow very often. Luckily it's still not that cold, but all right. Fish are not really interested in top surface, so oh, never mind. Just as I said that, I get one. That guy chased that fly down. That was cool. Okay, this is an okay fish too, I think. Just as I thought, it wasn't going to work on the top, I get a fish, of course. Okay. Ah, look at this guy. This looks nice. This looks nice. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Rod down. That is a good fish. Right there. Okay, fly out. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Fat and healthy. Fat and healthy. Look at this guy. Beautiful. Yeah. See you later. I like it. So I'm gonna switch underground or underwater anyways, just for fun. See if I can't pick up one of them big ones out there. big fish. Oh man, it's snowing, cold. I just caught and lost a pretty big fish. Well, I don't know if I really, do you count it? Do you count it as a loss if you got it in the net but you didn't take a picture of it? I don't know. That was a really big fish, and it got me excited to stand out here in the cold for a little bit more. We'll see what happens here. My hands are cold. Oh, there's one. There's one. Yes, I got another big one. Hopefully we get this guy in the net. Not as big as the last one, but really cool looking. Oh yeah. Ooh, he's a good size. Head shaking for sure. Look at him go. Wow. Swimming right alongside another guy. Okay, he's trying to get deep in the hole, so we'll try to get him back out over here. I got some pretty light line on, so I'm afraid to put too much pressure on. Wow. Oh, this is gonna be a good one if we can get him in. We got the rod tacoed over here. Get out of the current there, buddy. Come on. Oh! There we go. We lost him. Dang, dude. What is the deal? Okay. He just kind of fell out. I got both my flies still, but no fish. All right. Okay, well, I ran out of battery out there and it got really cold, so I just had to go home. But it was still a good day. So I wanted to talk about these waders a little bit. What was kind of cool that I thought is all the little spots that I had where there was a hole, and I'd kind of put some aqua seal on the outside. On the inside, they actually went through and put a patch, which is not even something that they probably really needed to do. But I wanted to show you the booties here. So you can see they put multiple extra patches in here where they found pinholes. All I was really worried about was how the booties were leaking. And they actually went through and they did, there's a regular seam with the tape, and they actually put double tape over those seams to keep them nice. This is pretty awesome in here. How many extra patches? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 extra patches. And I don't even remember those spots leaking, but when they tested them, they probably found leaks. And so they fixed them. And that's awesome customer service. I mean, you can't go wrong. So basically, I took a pair of waders that I thought were pretty much done, and I'll probably get another 3 or 4 years out of them. So go Patagonia.